Love, chemistry, and fan favorite moments when it comes to Thai celebrity couples. Two names have been trending lately, Freen and Sang and Faye and Yoko. Both couples have won millions of hearts with their adorable interactions, stunning performances, and real life bonding. But which duo sets the ultimate couple goals? In this video, we will explore their love, their journey, and the reasons why fans can't stop talking about them. So, if you are a fan of Thai celebrity gossips, drama couples, and romantic chemistry, hit that like button and stay tuned till the end. Freen and Sang, the powerful on-screen and off-screen bond. Freen Sarosha and Sang Vichai have taken the Thai entertainment world by storm. While Freen initially gained massive popularity for her breakthrough roles, it was her undeniable chemistry with Sang that turned them into one of the most talked about pairs. What makes them special? Whether it's in dramas or special appearances, their acting feels so natural that fans often wonder, is it just acting or is there something more? From Instagram posts to TikTok trends, Freen and Sang love sharing sweet and fun moments with their fans. Their interactions always seem effortless and genuine. Even behind the scenes, they have been spotted supporting each other's careers, attending events together, and sharing heartwarming moments that fans melt heart. Freen and Sang fan base. Their fans, lovingly known as Freen Sang lovers, and some of the most dedicated supporters in the Thai entertainment scene. Hashtags like Freen Sang Forever and Thai couple goals often trend whenever they post something new. Faye and Yoko, the rising star with unmatched chemistry. If there's another duo that has recently been stealing the spotlight, it's Faye and Yoko. While Freen and Sang have a long established fan base, Faye and Yoko are quickly becoming a favorite among Thai drama enthusiasts. Why do fans love them? Their drama roles have made them instant icons in the romantic drama genre. Unlike some celebrity couples who keep their interactions low-key, Faye and Yoko are always engaging in funny banter, cute pranks, and adorable gestures, making them relatable and lovable. Their fan base is rapidly expanding, and many predict they could become the next big Thai celebrity couple. Faye and Yoko's fan base. Fans of Faye and Yoko call themselves Yoko Faye stans and actively support them with fan edits, tweets, and viral TikTok clips. Their unique chemistry has led to increased demand for them to star in more projects together. Freen and Sang versus Faye and Yoko, who's the ultimate couple? Both Freen and Sang and Faye and Yoko bring something special to the table. While Freen and Sang have strong romantic tension and deep connection, Faye and Yoko are the fun, energetic, and playful duo. Which couple do you love the most? Tell us in the comments below. Are you team Freen and Sang or team Faye and Yoko, or do you love them both? Let us know.